Whoops. Haha. Oh crap. Yeah, so as you can see, I just installed Windows 8, so properties, I can't remember where those were. I just did a review on this not that long ago. Yes. Do that. Here we have the settings manager. Let's browse for a decent one. Oh, you're kidding. I have to put them back on. Okay. Anyways, so let's figure all this out. And I'll get everything set up. I think I have to install all the drivers. So right now I am installing Start W8, so at least I have a start menu. I don't need this, but I want it. Okay, that seems pretty cool. Aha, there we go. Start menu. What is going on here? Should be in English. No, don't switch to the desktop. Menu items. To have run from there. About. Okay, that should be good. Oh, crap. I did not want to do that. Here we go. Looks pretty good. Actually, that looks really good. That'll do. It'll serve the purpose. Let's install this. This is the last thing. My audio isn't working, but maybe after I do the system update, it will find the proper audio driver for it. Because right now I have my doubts that it's running the right audio driver. It is an Intel ICH8 chipset. This is actually running a what is it? This is a Connexant chipset. It is not the Intel HD audio chipset, which seems to have a lot of problems in a lot of operating systems. Now I have to restart because I installed updates. Haha. That is a lot faster than Windows XP, I will tell you that much. By the way, I do have all my data. I saved it onto this thing. Turns out I wanted to clone my Windows XP partition, and I resized it to be too small and destroyed Windows, so... Alright, here we go. It's going to want me to sign in, of course. And there we go. Go back to my desktop, please. And what I actually want to do is I want to change the, not the screen resolution, but the background. Not necessarily the background, but the colors. I want the colors to be colors automatic. What was that? I'll come back to that in a second. Yes, I like that. I like it like that. So now it's going to install .NET, which is needed for the ThinkVantage system update. At least I think it's needed by the ThinkVantage system update. I think that's what it's for. And that is going to take a while. And there's the password manager. The Action Center was complaining. Why was the Action Center complaining? My one gripe about this thing is that it's not exactly the fastest in the world. I'm talking about the Start W8. Windows 8 is actually pretty fast. And one would hope, considering it's supposed to be for a, there's Windows Update. I wanted the, what's it called? The Action Center. Finish setting up your account. We need to verify that your email account is yours. More information. Yes, I should be able to do that. Oops. Please wait. Oh, okay. So it's supposed, this is doing what it's supposed to. Oh, I have to, yeah. I have to verify that on my email, so let me do that. Alright, here we go. It's going to want me to sign in, of course. And there we go. Go back to my desktop, please. And what I actually want to do is I want to change the, not the screen resolution, but the background. Not necessarily the background, but the colors. I want the colors to be colors automatic. What was that? I'll come back to that in a second. Yes, I like that. I like it like that. So now it's going to install .NET, which is needed for the ThinkVantage system update. At least I think it's needed by the ThinkVantage system update. I think that's what it's for. And that is going to take a while. And there's the password manager. The Action Center was complaining. Why was the Action Center complaining? My one gripe about this thing is that it's not exactly the fastest in the world. I'm talking about the Start W8. Windows 8 is actually pretty fast. And one would hope, considering it's supposed to be for a, there's Windows Update. I wanted the, what's it called? The Action Center. Finish setting up your account. We need to verify that your email account is yours. More information. Yes, I should be able to do that. Oops. Please wait. Oh, okay. So it's supposed, this is doing what it's supposed to. Oh, I have to, yeah. I have to verify that on my email, so let me do that. Alright, okay, we are verified. We are in business. I'm gonna have to change this background, as if giving you, like, daisies is gonna make up for the total destruction of your desktop. But I suppose this is something that you would have to get used to, and I can get used to this. This is not nearly as bad as the release, was it even the release preview? No, yes, it was the release preview. This isn't as bad as the release preview. The release preview was much worse than this. Maintenance. Or not. System update. I want to run the system update. That way it will get all of the proper updates and drivers and everything for this system, if it doesn't have them already. Needs to be sent. There's the machine model. Windows 8 English. I agree every time. It is for updates after all, and it's not like sending my name and address every time. So it should be fine. Yes. Power management. Alright, requires a reboot, so let's do that. How fast that is. That's comparable to the Mac OS. Actually. It's pretty comparable to the Mac OS. It'll never be as fast as the Mac OS, we'll put it that way. Or you know what, I might actually have to try that now. Compare it to like 10.5. I can't compare it to 10.8 because I don't have access to 10.8. The latest operating system that we have running here is 10.6, and that is on my mother's Mac Mini, and I don't have access to that system either. Nor do I intend on using it, like, ever. Unless I get it as like another system, or somehow acquire it, which will probably never happen. Well, there we go. Still not quite pleased that my audio is not there, but I don't care. To be perfectly honest about it. It's not like I'm going to be needing audio anyway. This isn't a system that would have been designed for Windows 8 to begin with. I mean, it was out, I think it came out the very same year that Windows Vista would have come out. Because this is not what I wanted, like, at all. Let's go into the desktop and run updates. Yeah, this is not that fast. This Windows 8 dock thing, it's not that fast. It looks nice, but it's not fast. So I'm gonna, oh crap. I probably can't use my fingerprint reader with this, but it might be worth a shot. Keep our PC plugged in while I'm running on a laptop. So it makes sense, but if it displays this on a desktop PC, yeah, that makes no sense, because if you were to unplug it, it would shut off. So there's that. At some point, I'm going to be replacing this hard drive that's in this system, because it is having some trouble spinning up. It works fine when you like just start the system up, and I don't know why that is. So now we're updating and installing. Well, I did the restart and install update, or update and restart, or whatever it is. So I don't know how long that's going to take. That'll take however long it takes. Considering it's Windows, updates take forever. Actually, that didn't take forever. That was actually pretty snappy. You know what? This T61, actually, I'm going to go, I'm going to make a bold statement here and say that this T61 with Windows 8 is faster than this T500 with Windows 7. Which is kind of not the way it should be, but that's how it is. That's my password. And the sun has come out. Nice. Now, what do I need to do? What do I need to do? Install, oh yes, install all my programs. That's what I need to do. And get a better start dock. Oh my god, this is slow. Yes, I'm going to get a better one, because this one I don't like. Well, I decided to stick with what I have, because I can't find a decent one that is freeware. On the list of 9, I didn't go through the entire list, but what I have right now should be fine, because, to be honest, I don't use the start menu on Windows 7. I have all my apps that I need pinned. Anyways, so I don't get what the point is. What I want right now is Firefox. I'm going to go to Mozilla.com. Mozilla.org, not .com. Oops. Yeah, that's my fault. Products. What the hell? Yeah, I've never heard of that. Firefox 18.0 for English for Windows. Yeah. Let's run this. This is not the, I don't think this is the Windows 8 app. I don't think they even have a Windows 8 app per se. I'll have to customize it from the tiled menu thing. This stupid security scan is the reason why. Because it takes way too long. Oh, speaking of security, I don't have Windows, whatever the hell installed, do I? Oops. Security. Windows Defender is not a virus program. You idiot. That's not a virus program. What the hell are you talking about? Whoops. Properties. Should open this up. Windows 8 Professional. Everything is working. Oh, what the... Yes. Allow that to happen. Just a standard installation. I don't need anything fancy. So, of course, it's activated. 32-bit operating system. I have a 64-bit processor, so I could run the 64-bit version of Windows on here. Not that I'm going to. You have new apps that can open web pages. No, really? Yeah, that's like the stupidest thing I've ever heard. So, the hot corner. I want settings, tiles. Oh, crap. That's not what I want. Should probably figure out how to configure the tiles. I like the hot corner. I love the hot corners. Like in my review of Windows 8, I sort of bashed the hot corners, but when you're using them on an actual system, they're a lot better. I was doing my review of the Windows 8 preview. That was the release preview, first of all, and the release preview was terrible. It was slower than this, let's put it that way. What was the other thing? Yes, I was doing it on a virtual machine, which is not the way it's supposed to be done. Windows 8 is not a VM-friendly operating system. Don't do that, by the way. Do not run Windows 8 in a virtual machine. So then, oh, holy crap. As if you need a clock that big. But apparently people do. So it's there. Launch Firefox now, please. Don't import anything, because there's no bookmarks in there anyways. Ah, good. Then this can get out of here. I know that. I don't actually care. Firefox. Yes, this is the default browser. Okay, this can get out of here first of all. Alright. So I just installed my printer. One of the printers. I'm going to install the printer that's in the basement as well after that's done. Alright, okay. So I know that works. I would hope that it works. Color support, yes. It's a black and white printer. Why would it support color? Here's something that I thought interesting. Okay, here. Check this out. Watch this. Oh, I didn't. Let's find something that will. Oops, wrong program. But I can get rid of this now. I don't need it. Desktop pictures. Let's see if this works. This should do it. Check this out. Aw, you missed it. I don't think you saw it, because I didn't point the camera at it. Yeah, see, it definitely goes a lot faster than it did in, what's its face? Yeah, there we go. Check that out. It's a graph showing what kind of speeds you're getting. That is, like, an interesting feature. I don't know how, like, interesting it is to, like, an ordinary person, because I'm not ordinary, but... desk documents. Put it in here, because this is where is it? I think it's in here. Yeah, this is where my Audacity file is. Mac Crash. It's Crash Time from Macintosh. Virtual machines. Oh, that reminds me. I have to install all my programs. I started, but I didn't finish. So let's finish. Alright. Ooh, what is this? Okay. So we just finished. We're installing more updates, and I have to install all my programs, which shouldn't be too hard. This is what happens when you try to clone a disk instead of just backing up your goddamn data. Oh well, at least I have all my data. I backed up all my data before I even bothered to try and clone, so I didn't lose anything. At least not anything that I would think is important. If I didn't back it up, it's obviously not important. My bookmarks I could care less about. The programs that I had installed to begin with, I can just install again. I don't care. Don't know why my camera goes way out of focus there, but it does. The old one didn't. Yeah, about that. Odd, okay. There we go. It doesn't seem to like that I have USB keys installed. That's interesting. Actually, that's quite odd. Yeah, I got my sound working. I don't even know what I did. I went into the sound properties and I don't even think I fiddled with anything. And now it works. Password. Aha, oops. I mistyped it. Okay. There we go. It is much easier to type with two hands. And that way you don't mess anything up. Store 15. But nothing because I don't even care. Settings, start, tiles. Yes. Go back. Help. Oh, it has Windows Help on it. Interesting. Sound is up. This is up. Notifications. Change PC settings. So let's fiddle around with a few things. I want to change this to something. What is the big question? Which one should I use? How about this one? Yeah, I like this one better. There we go. Users, me, notifications. Notifications are on. Search is on. Share, wait, whoa. Okay, that's fine. Home group, Windows update, sync your settings, wireless, devices, privacy, general. Oh, it has autocorrect on it. I should turn that off. But I won't, because I'm lazy. Alright, we can get out of here now. So there's our desktop. That's what it looks like now. I changed the background. Changed the theme, I think. Yes, I changed the theme. Everything should be pretty and happy and working. Sound is working, last I knew. I mean, you heard the sound. Doesn't have a shutdown sound anymore. I found that was one of the things that I think was missing. These I don't think I'll even worry about because... yeah, it's just the normal sound. I'm trying to change the sound to one that I like. Meh, I gotta find one that's decent. Jeez. Those are ringtones, by the way. Just thought I should point that out. I found one that I really like, this alarm sound. I'm using that as the UIC as well. Just because I can. Let's change that to something else. Yeah, they have different sounds for some of them now. Like, I changed the log on sound, so that's okay. Yeah, we'll save it as that. We'll just leave that as it is. Everything should be fine now. I just have to install all my programs. Now, I will be back when that's done for my full, unbiased opinion, as of now, on Windows 8. Are you kidding? Yuck. Everything, I think, is now installed. You can see all the applications there. Holy crap. Check that out. I did not... oh, what did I just... oh, I know what I did. Okay. No, I don't know what I just did. So that's not what I want. I wanted my all apps. There we go. So this is all the installed applications. I'm going to get out of that. Ooh. Okay, so that's what it does. Cool. Everything is installed. My start menu is up to date. And now all I have to do is updates. Ooh. Health status is degrading. Well, yeah, no, of course. It's obviously, like, degrading. But now all I have to do is updates, and I don't think we need to see any of that. So, there you go. Thank you for watching. If you have your comments, feel free to leave them down below. And this is CP666 signing off, so I'll see you next time. Till then.